can take a simple idea, a photo, or even reference material and turn it into a cinematic video with Wan 3.0. But the trick isn't just typing a long prompt and hitting generate. In this video, I'll show you the workflow I would actually use, from choosing the input to fixing a bad result. Start by opening the Wan 3.0 video workspace and decide what you're starting with. If you want AI to create the whole scene, choose text to video. If you already have a character, product, or image you like, image to video is usually the better starting point. Wan 3.0 also supports first/last frame and reference-based workflows. For this example, I'll start with text. Let's say I want a cinematic shot of a woman walking through New York at night. Instead of writing make a cinematic woman video, I'd give Wan something it can actually film. A young woman walks through a rainy New York street at night, neon signs reflecting on the wet pavement. The camera slowly tracks backward as she walks toward it. Soft cinematic lighting, realistic clothing movement, shallow depth of field. The important part is that I'm describing who we see, what they're doing, where they are, how the camera moves, and what the scene should look like. Wan 3.0. Now let's say I already created the woman as an image. I'll upload it and change the instruction to focus mainly on movement. She slowly walks toward the camera while her hair moves naturally in the wind. The camera gently pushes backward. Keep her face, clothing, and overall appearance consistent. That's the workflow I'd use for character videos, because the image gives Wan a visual anchor instead of making it invent the character from scratch. And this is where Wan 3.0 gets more interesting. You can use reference-based video generation, combining supported images, video, or other inputs to guide the result. The idea is simple. Instead of explaining everything with words, give the model something visual to follow. For example, use a character image as the identity reference and a movement reference for the action. Then tell Wan exactly what should stay consistent. Before generating, check the available duration, resolution, aspect ratio, audio options, and credit cost in the interface you're using. And here's something I wouldn't skip. Treat the first generation as a draft. If the character looks good but the walking motion is weird, don't rewrite everything. Just say, keep the same character and environment. Make the walking motion more natural and reduce the camera movement. Then regenerate. Once you get a shot you're happy with, save it and move on to the next scene. Wan 3.0 can generate clips up to 30 seconds, so you can create longer storytelling shots before assembling everything in your editor. So my workflow is idea to input to prompt, to generate to check to refine to next shot to edit. My personal tip, don't try to create your entire movie in one prompt. Think like a director, one clear shot, one action, one camera move at a time. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI video tutorials.